Okay, so today I'm looking at the Seika dual connector accessory for a pressure washer to deliver snow foam, which is contained in this bottle and carried up into the nozzle through this pipe. And it's really quite well made, but for £65.99 it ought to be. Now, the first thing I didn't like about this item, this is the connection. This is the handle which connects it to a professional pressure washer. But with most of us using Karcher pressure washers, you'll have to buy an adapter. And in this case, the adapter to fit on my Karcher is this item here, which costs an additional £11.95. So that makes this quite an expensive item when you consider the original is 65 quid. So best part of 80 quid. You have a number of nozzles where you can change the spray pattern for the pressure wash itself, which attach onto this device here. Very easy to fit, very easy to remove. And to exchange. But you know, the question has to be asked, how often do we tend to change the patterns? Certainly at my car wash they don't. Additionally, for the spray for the snow foam, you can see you can adjust the density of the spray coming out. So I've given this a 3-star rating. I'm afraid I can't give it 5 stars. It just doesn't really cut it for me. Thanks for viewing.